Hi, I'm Joel. What I just did is called sneezing or a sneeze. After somebody sneezes, the appropriate thing to say is bless you, or the long version would be God bless you. Usually, we say it in the short way, bless you. The reason I'm making this video is because when I'm giving classes on Skype, sometimes I sneeze. And probably half of the students don't even know they should say bless you. Many of them don't say anything, or some of them say cheers, or something like that. So remember, the correct thing to say after someone sneezes is bless you. So that's it for today. A nice easy lesson in American culture and in English as well. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more great videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thanks and have a great day.